If you want a middle school where language pathways and global learning options are baked into the student experience, Greene is the one you'll have to put on your shortlist. Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs with the Rise Real Estate Group. I'm a local realtor here in Palo Alto, and today I'm taking you inside Frank S. Greene Jr. Middle School to show you what families should know, especially if you're thinking about language immersion, electives, and the transition into high school. So first, the basics. Frank S. Greene Jr. Middle School is a public middle school in PAUSD district. It serves grades 6 through 8. It's a sizable campus, and the California Department of Education school profile reports enrollment in the hundreds, which means kids have access to a broad peer group and a wide range of course offerings. Now, Greene also has a name history that matters for longtime locals. PAUSD renamed David Starr Jordan Middle School to Frank S. Greene Jr. Middle School, with the new name effective in 2018-2019 school year. You'll still hear Jordan sometimes in conversation, so it helps to know in context when you're talking with neighbors. Now, academics and achievement. Middle school success is less about the hardest classes possible and more about building the skills that make high school manageable. Organization, reading, and writing stamina, and confidence speaking up in class. Greene supports that middle school foundation while offering access to language learning paths that can shape a student's entire secondary experience. Here's the big differentiator. Greene's world language offerings include multiple modern languages. And importantly, Greene is also tied to the Spanish and Mandarin immersion continuation options. Families should know the difference between taking a language and staying in an immersion pathway. At Greene, the Immersion Bridge programs are designed to connect the elementary dual immersion experience to the advanced language options students can take later in high school. If your child has been in Spanish immersion at Escondido or Mandarin immersion at Ohlone, this bridge matters because it helps maintain momentum rather than starting over at a beginner level. The practical side is just as important as the program itself. Even families already in the elementary immersion programs typically still need to apply for the middle school choice placement in order to be considered for the bridge program. That process has deadlines, and it's worth putting those dates into your calendar like you would a flight that you can't miss. Now, let's talk about programs and opportunities beyond language. Like other PAUSD middle schools, Greene students have music as a meaningful part of the experience, especially starting in 6th grade and then expanding through electives in 7th and 8th grade. The reason parents love this is simple. Music, theater, art, and hands-on electives give students identity anchors in a developmental phase that can be socially intense. It's not just enrichment, it's belonging. From a parent perspective, Greene often appeals to families who want a mix of academic structure and choice. They like that students can explore, but within a school environment that's still clearly designed around skill building and preparation for high school. Now, practical considerations families should plan for. Middle school is where transportation and after-school schedules become trickier because students have more activities and later events. You'll want to understand school start and end times, after-school supervision options, and how students get home from sports, performances, or even just clubs. And once again, make sure you're using PAUSD's official enrollment tools to confirm assignment and choice processes before you purchase a home. Here's the summary. Families choose Frank Greene Jr. Middle School when they want a strong, comprehensive middle school experience and they value the language bridge pathways, especially for Spanish and Mandarin immersion students continuing their bilingual educational journey. If you want a home in Greene's zone, I can help with that. Reach out using my contact information found in the description below. And make sure to hit subscribe for deep dives on every school in the PAUSD school system and up the peninsula and Silicon Valley. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Caroline Hobbs, and I will catch you in the next one.